Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Turkish Airline Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the cabin baggage, economy passengers are allowed one hand baggage with an 8 kilogram maximum, and the business class passengers can carry 2 items of 8 kilogram each. And when it comes to the personal items, passengers can carry personal items like a handbag, a laptop, or a camera in an additional handbag. And when it comes to the checked baggage, the maximum total dimension for checked baggage are 158 centimeters. That includes the width, the height, and the depth. And when it comes to the exceed baggage, extra charges apply if baggage exceeds the free allowance based on ticket type, route, and baggage weight and quantity. And when it comes to the special baggage, items like sports equipment, musical instruments, and pets may require special arrangement or incur fees. And in the infant baggage, infants are typically allowed 10 kilogram of checked baggage plus a foldable baby stroller. And when it comes to the prohibited items, restrictions on dangerous items like explosive, flammable substance, and certain liquids. And when it comes to the frequent flyer benefits, members of the Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles program may receive extra baggage allowance. And in case of lost or damaged baggage, passengers should report any baggage issues to the Turkish airline before leaving the airport with potential compensation available. And when it comes to the connecting flights, baggage policies may vary when transferring between flights, especially with different airlines. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.